welcome to Panika's Perfect Studies. Today let's discuss about plant life in equatorial regions. This is due to heavy rainfalls and plenty sunshine. It is a dense growth of the trees in this region. In this region, the growth of the plants are small. There's no dry season. There's no dry season in this region. There's no dry season in this region all the trees do not shed their leaves. At the same time. The trees shed their leaves in the different times of the year. The trees shed their leaves. When it is autumn season, it becomes dry and it shades its leaves throughout the year. Isn't it? Why it is so? It is because of the reason that the forest looks green throughout the year, and hence they are called evergreen forests. What is one unique feature of the equatorial rainforest? Equatorial rainforest plant life. There are many plants and many layers. There are many plants in many layers which grow in this equatorial rainforest. Okay, now I hope you understood today's video. Let's meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome to Panika's Perfect Studies. Today let's discuss about climate. The climate in equatorial regions are hot, humid and wet throughout the year. You might have a doubt that how will it be wet if it is hot and humid? It will be wet because it is all hot and humid, right? It will have a lot of humidity, isn't it? So it rains every day afternoon in an equatorial region. It rains every day afternoon. Hence, this rain is called 4 o'clock rain. It is nothing but 4 o'clock rain. These climates doesn't experience winter season at all. The length of the rays, the length of day and night is more or less equal. Because the rays of the sun shines vertically on the equator. You know that? I hope you understood today's video, and let's meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome to Panika's Perfect Studies. Today let's discuss about equatorial rainforests. Equatorial rainforests are found in hot and humid climates, and it is found near the equator, and it is along the equator too. It is mostly found between 10° north and 10° south latitudes. These rainforests are mostly found in the coastal regions of Africa, South America, Indonesia, Malaysia, India, some parts of Australia, and many more. And you can even give an example of a river basin in America, in South America. So, this is today's video. I hope you understood. Bye bye.